All right. So here we are. We got this is our new website instead of the one that looked like theirs, right? Uh,
Mm-hmm.
Here's our prices.
Oh, 95 a month.
Right. These are our prices. 95 for the basic stuff, which includes everything you need. A website, right? You can create
Mm.
funnels. You can do email marketing, right? So most of everything that you need is in here. Then you want to
Mm.
do that social media planning stuff that we were just doing. That's 195, right? You can do
Mm.
invoicing, work on, use the calendar system. Opportunities is for sales team. You got a sales team. This is like an amazing system for managing your sales. Memberships, you can create your own communities, right? And so here, the ultimate version, you get everything, right? You get the workflows. And with these come workflows too, but this is a bigger selling point, right? So we
Yeah.
really don't push the trigger, the workflow stuff. They'll have limited workflow ability in those. Um, so anyway, that's it, right? So what we're trying to do is get everybody signed up for this one, the most popular one, not 195. I want them with the full blown ultimately, right? But if I get 195 for everybody set up, I encourage them to pay me up front for a website on
Mm-hmm.
the website. And watch this. The website, I just created this in literally 10 minutes.
Oh, cute.
Did you
Like
see this
security
yet? You
management.
didn't see this yet?
Yeah.
Did you see it yet?
Yeah.
I, I,
I haven't. This
I
is
posted
my
it to Slack and nobody looked at it. So anyway, I created the actual website here, right? I linked it to our domain.
Oh, so DigiSphere AI can use to any kind of business, right? We can use
That's
on real
right.
estate, we can use
We
in
are.
every.
I'm going to show you something as soon as I finish this.
Okay.
Back. Oh, this is the backup. So I didn't mean to say that. I don't want to go to the backup. This is the live version. This is the current version, right? And
Mhm.
so
Oh, I
this is
see the logo on Slack.
look at this. Hey, when you
Oh.
go to luxurykeymanagement.com, this is what you get right now. The site is live.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Ah.
We got this video going in the background. I got this as an IA. I went to IA and got this video. I said, yeah, I need a video of a luxury, Airbnb accommodation, a luxury corporate leasing property. And
Mhm.
this is what I got. And I just popped it in there. I'm supposed to change that top part, right? So this is what I'm going to do. This is how easy it is to work this, right? And what I'm going to do, I hate doing this without Keisha, but I think you are a great proxy for her. I can do videos talking to you about how to use this software, right? As I'm explaining how to use it, I'm creating the video right there, right now. We're actually doing the video now. I actually want to switch to this camera. Give me 1 second. I got two cameras. I'm using the laptop camera, but I have another camera. I don't know where I think I left the daggone cable upstairs. Give me 1 second. Let me try this one. I don't know if it's gonna work. But these videos that I want to do, I think you can help me get those off the track. I think part of my problem is that I haven't been scheduling them, and I haven't been, putting them at the high at the on the priority list, right? And if you're able to, so yeah, I got a better video going now, right? So when I look over here now, I'm looking at you on my other screen. It looks like I'm talking to you now. So anyway, and I got my cat in the back here. I love this video.
Yeah.
Awesome. So I just anyway, let me get this. So um here's how I built it. Actually, I'm gonna edit it real quick. I want to show you how easy it is to edit. So here's the editing tool, right? It's a one page, it's a funnel. It's a one page ticket, right? Um, Funnels, websites, all of these things I can build, right? I can build a store, a webinar, analytics, blogs. You can use WordPress, client portal, surveys, forms, quizzes. This is amazing what this thing can do. Funnels, a funnel is basically a web page, but it's got these different steps to it, right? The main page is your main offer, your whatever you're selling. It's broken down into sections, and as you go, customers going down the page, they are being promoted, whatever. You're actually trying to drive them to take action, with call to actions like a button or whatever, right? So the graphics are actually helping to explain the value or the benefits of your product or whatever it is that you're communicating. And then the second page is just basically supporting that first page, right? On a funnel, you usually don't have any other links that are distracting somebody and causing them to go in different directions, right? So the
Mhm.
last page is after they fill out that appointment form, they're going to get a thank you page, boom. So this is the steps for this particular funnel, right? I can change settings in here. The domain is here. So I want it to, and once if they go to luxurykeymanagement.com, they're going to go to this path right here. Let me see if it's live. I don't know if this is even live right now, but I'm gonna go and then I'm gonna put a front slash here, paste that in there, and let's see what that does. It's just like, oh, it is live. Bang! This is my um, offer, right? But actually, I think it's going to this automatically if I just type in here. Yeah, it's the same thing, right? Um, but what's happening is delete final save. I do want to edit it. I want to go to steps. I want to edit here. And I don't like the top bar looking like it is, right? I could take this and bring it down.
Mhm.
Uh-oh. This is a section here, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to clone this. I'm going to try to move this down here into this field. I don't know if it's going to allow me to now. Because this is, oh yeah, here it goes, boom. So you see here, I can move it to any part of this. Drop it in there. See what it did? It dropped it below here. I want it to be
Mhm.
above in this section outside of this, right? So I'm gonna move it up, up. So it's going through steps. And then it won't go outside of that. I think I need to have another. See, this is a column. I can clone
Mhm.
this column and have two columns instead. I'm gonna delete that. I want it the blue section. So you see it changes colors? It's
Yeah.
changing colors because this is a section and this is a column.
Mhm.
Columns are vertical. It goes across. So if I wanted to clone this is a clone icon. I create a second column. I can create a third column and a fourth column and keep going, right? So this is four columns, right? But we don't even have the space for that. But we're gonna delete all the columns. We don't want any columns here. We want it to be one column. This is the way it was designed. But we do want a second section. The blue is the sections, right? So I go to the blue and I clone the blue. So you're going to see there's two sections, right? And the sections can have multiple, you know, columns, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to delete the second one. And I'm actually going to, let me see if I can, I'm going to move this outside of, woo, why am I not? I thought I could move it outside of that. This a row. This I want it to be in a row. I want to get it outside of that column. What I'm going to end up doing, just deleting everything in here, but that, right? So here, boom, boom. This is my way to get around this problem I'm having. But you'll notice that this now has a background. I can get rid of that background. Maybe that I
Oh.
need that background, right? Because I can't see that now, right?
Mm-hmm.
But this here, I think there's a way for me to add a shadow to it, and the shadow, black and white. Ooh, I could change it. I want full color. Um, so for our video, I really need to be more knowledgeable about some of these things. Um, Animations. So watch this. Oh, you like that? You like that? Check it out. I can have it
Yeah.
loaded. Pretty cool, right? So animations is kind of cool. Let's go left to right. I'm gonna just add that, right? So my intention is to get rid of this whole thing altogether, right? I
Mm-hmm.
wanted it to be part of this animation. I wanted to be on top of the animation. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna preview it. When I preview it, it's gonna save it. I don't need to save. It's not gonna be live because until you publish it, it's not gonna be on the live version, right? So click
Mm-hmm.
here. Um, Ignore that. It's gonna show me a preview of it. And it did not do what I told it to do. So let me cancel this. I'm gonna just um, I'm gonna publish it. I know how to fix the problem if it's definitely not what I wanted to be. But oh, and I meant to show you what Go High Level was charging. Hold on, let me do that real quick. All right, that's the reason why I came here, right? So Go High Level, 14-day free trial. Oh, they're not showing it. Somewhere they showed the pricing on here. There it is. Boom. $97 and $297. Same
Mm-hmm.
price. We're not trying to be different in pricing with them, but we're giving them so much more. We're giving them that personal touch. We're actually customizing stuff for you. There's other features and services that we're offering, right? We're gonna hold your hand. We're offering customer service that they don't, right? Not for these plans, right? We do have advanced customer service, but for the agency account, right? You
Mm-hmm.
got to pay more than this to get that. So there's a lot more that we're offering for that money. So we're not really competing with them head to head, and they are okay with us taking their software and using our branding on it and selling it as our own. And that's what everybody's doing. You've seen this so many times, probably. Ari, I replied, that's exactly what this is.
Mm-mm.
This is
Yeah.
high level. This is go high
Oh.
level. So, but they took their name, right? And they did certain things with it. They added features that are related to real estate, right?
Mm-hmm.
Everything below this line is the same exact thing on mine, right? So you start
Yeah.
Launchpad, dashboard, task, right? It's same thing. Yeah, we don't have to go now. I'll just get back on track here. But when I publish, I already published it. See that? Did you see what happened? I'm
Yeah.
gonna refresh it. Bang. See that logo just pop in there? So that was the goal. That's what I was trying to do. I want to get rid of that top bar. I'm gonna do that. And there's a way to go back in history if I want to go back, right? I don't know what that is. So I'm gonna what I'm gonna do is I don't like to lose stuff and have to recreate the wheel. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this live version, I'm gonna duplicate it, clone it, right? I'm gonna call this that other one, right? 250109, is it? Just give it a date, right? Take off that word copy at the end, and actually it's gonna be a backup, right? That's the way I like to avoid having to lose information or recreating it, right? I
Mm-hmm.
know that it was working fine at this point. I can go back to this at a later date, right? So this is the latest backup here. So I'm going to go back into this, and then I'm going to have confidence knowing that I could delete this top fields and not worry about what's going to happen to it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I
Because it's
might want
already
to.
duplicated.
So I'll do that, right? So the thing about this, though, you'll notice that there's a lot of space around it. This is how we get address that, right? There's 60 pixels. I'm going to change it to 0, right? So it just moved it closer to the top. I'm going to take the bottom 60 pixels right here, make that 0, right? And then this blue also has 15 pixels, maybe 10, maybe none. I don't know why. Okay, so here we got 60 pixels at the top that I can reduce, right? Now it's closer to the top. And I can delete this. We no longer want that there, right? So now let's publish and save it and see what it looks like. All right, boom. So boom, here we go. So refresh, boom, look at that. So that
Oh,
it came in nicer. But
yeah.
what I don't like is it's getting low. You can't really read this that well. So what I
Yeah.
did, I would take the logo and kind of give it some kind of background treatment to it so that it's not getting lost, right? I could
Mm-hmm.
do something similar to that in here. I could take this, I can um, add a background to it, right? And then publish that. Let's see what it looks like.
Um, Mike, can you please excuse me for a few seconds?
So yeah, take your time.
Okay, give me a moment.
I think this solves the problem very well. Just need to make this smaller. So 10, 0, 0. And we are going to mm, height, width. This is the logo. Interesting. So here we have some padding here and here. We can increase this 100, 140. Over here, we can make this 140. And let's make it even larger, 240. No, no problem. I'm working it out over here. So this is what I ended up doing.
Mm-hmm.
You missed some of that, but I was increasing padding in this here. So you see the gray or whatever color that is to you. Somebody
Yeah.
called this purple or something. Um, I added padding on either side. See that?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's like a shadow, so the logo will see clear.
So 240, I'm adding padding, right, to on the inside. Padding is this area right around the image, right? So the image is this white area, right? So I
Mm-hmm.
added 240 pixels of space on the left side. I added 240 pixels of space on the right. So now it looks better, right? That way. So I'm going to publish that and I'm going to refresh. And there you go.
Ah, looks
Looks
nice.
better, right?
Yeah.
So now I'm happier with this, the way that it is, right? And now we look like a very professional company. Guess how long it took me to create this? Like an hour. And I'm going to show you how I did it. All right, so we're here.
Mm-hmm.
So we're in the funnels, right? I'm going to hit new funnel. I could do from blank. I could do from AI or from templates. I I'm not going to use the AI, but that's kind of cool too. I'm going to try all of these, and I do want to demonstrate all of these features. But what I will do is in this video, we're going to show people how to create a video from scratch. I mean, a website from scratch. Um, and then I'm going to make them an offer to buy this software so that they can do just this. $500. We'll do a workshop where we're just going to show people exactly how to take something they just paid me for. Come and meet us. There'll be a group of people. Let's walk through the steps to build your first website, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, template, we'll click continue. Now, in this template, what is your industry? Let's throw out an industry to me. What type of business am I going to create a website on?
Real estate.
So, when I type in real, these are all the different websites that come up, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now, I used real estate to fund to create this one. And the one that I used was, um, where is it? Real estate leasing, I think, or rentals or something like that. But anyway, here's a good one right here. Real
Mm-hmm.
estate lead magnet, right? You want to attract customers, you want to attract buyers, sellers, or you want to do for investing, for instance, might be a good one for best investors. I like to do wholesaling.
Mm-hmm.
Let's try that one.
Oh,
Let's try that one.
wholesaling.
I wanna get properties at below market value, sell the contract to somebody else. That's called wholesaling. I never take possession of it, right?
Mm-hmm.
It has the legal structure of your real estate wholesale for 299. Why? Legal entity formation services matter. Upgrade services for just 299. No thanks. Make the right choice for your business with our legal entity formation, blah, blah, blah. So this is a different type of thing than I thought it was. Do you have a real estate wholesaling business? Want to market your services more successfully? Choosing a strategic, optimized funnel design can help create conversions. I'm gonna try a different one just to see what that one says. We did real estate and we did, I think this one we were looking at real estate management lead magnet. I'm gonna do, let me just check a rental. I don't see the one that I used before, but to create this one that we were looking at just now. But I'm gonna just use this one here. Just something about it looks clean to me. Real estate management leads. I'm gonna click on that. You know what? I should have just previewed it first. So we can preview different templates, right?
Mhm.
So comprehensive tenant screening checklists. Review, register now and get exclusive access to our, um, I don't want that one. I want to use something that's already, set up for something that I think I would want to do. So if I go here, we can then list uh, real estate down here. So now this is going to show us all the real estate designs, mortgage program. And I can't tell you why I haven't found the one that I used to create that one. Home buying leads, property listings. Oh, load more. Ah, interesting. So there's a lot of them. There's a lot. I can't believe how many. So investment property uploads, upsell. Let's see what that looks like. Or even this one here. This is still the same one. I don't like this one at all. I don't like that at all. Where's real estate? I thought we saw real estate. Oh, here. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's look at this first one. So let's do this one. We'll click on continue. So you'll notice that it will create the template version of your website right away. Boom. Right? So in order to view this, we can, click preview here and see what it looks like. As a matter of fact, let me do that. This is the website, right? Contact us, get services, about us, get started, make a booking here. The calendar will show up here once we connect it, right? We put a logo in there. So literally we've got the template to work from right here, right? So I can take this and I'm gonna go back. I wanna see landing page schedule. Thank you. Um, Settings. I can connect this to my domain somehow, right? Um, Steps. Just A/B testing out with my campaigns. I could have it run different variations of the web page. I can add another step in the process and have them download a, ebook or something, right? But I'll go to edit and I can change the colors. This one is right? I think that was, what was the original color? I don't even know what that was. Probably that one. This picture, I can change that to some other picture. Not that one. So if I had, let's go to online, we'll go here. I'll click images here. I can use any one of these pictures. This one is probably not. You don't want to use, you don't want to steal images, but you can use free stock photos. I'm going to just save this one to my downloads folder. And then I will go back here, upload it, downloads, right? Boom. So now that picture is going to appear there in the background. Look at that, it's got the watermarks on it. So I chose the wrong one. But matter of fact, I'm going to do one that I don't have watermarks for. Something that's really nice. It's going to represent our brand really well. Let's just use this for now. So here, when I click on this top level, the green area, right? I actually changed the background color, but this superseded that. Um, this is where I added the image. I clicked on that button and then went to upload, double click here. Now that new image is in there, right? So this text right here is getting lost, right? I can
Yeah.
add I can add a shadow, text shadow. Look at that. See how now it's different? I
Yes,
can
yes.
increase that. I can say, all right, look at that, all right? Make it even stronger. Use a different color, right? 3 and 3, right? I'd rather 1 and 1 maybe. It's got a blur to it. So there you have it, right? That's reading a lot better. This one, I might want to make it have a background like the one we were just using, right? And then you see it needs some margin to it, right? I'll go
Mm-hmm.
down here and I'll add padding. I like to use 20 for here, 20 on the other side, 20 on the top and bottom too, right? This
Mm-hmm.
could be rounded, right? Border, some animations. Anyway, not gonna go into it any further than that. So that's it, right? So then now I want to change this image, right? The orange is always the element that's on the page. We call it element. So that element we can take and upload a different version, I mean image. So what I'll do is maybe I'm gonna use one that's already existing. Um, we're in here. We're gonna go to here. You know what? This must not be. I should see that image in here somewhere. I don't see. Oh, here it is. Boom. All right, so we're gonna change this to. Let's do something like that. Nope, that ain't good.
Oh, you can get or you can pick some pictures.
Yeah, anything. So, this image can be change the size of it. I
Mm-hmm.
might just want this to be 300 width, I mean height.
Oh,
Auto,
you can
I can
change.
do 350 width, right? And then
Mm-hmm.
I can add the shadow or some kind of outline to it. I can make it black and white. Image border, right? So it looks a little cleaner. Uh, White thumbnail border. Look at that. Image radius, circle, rounded
Oh.
corners. Um, Box shadow. I can add a bigger shadow. I'm gonna do 5 here. Spread. I don't need to spread it, do I? Blur. Anyway, I don't like that color, but there you have it. Um, you know, we can keep going, right? Each section could be a different color. Oh, check it out. This is what I could do with this section right here. You're gonna love this piece. So what I can do is add that same image that I had up here and make that the theme of the page, right? I can copy this, scroll down, and so this one right here, each alternating section could be a that same image, right? Look what it did. Undo. I'm gonna undo that. I don't want it there. I want it in the section below this, right? So every is gonna be the greens. What's going on? Oh, the greens. So then there's another green down here. Let's see, paste. Oops, undo. I don't want, what I do want here though, different color. Let's make this background color black, some other color, right? I don't want it in the section though. Oh, you know what? I see what's going on. Uh, there's a margin here that I don't like. I'm gonna click back, undo all of that, right? When I
Mm-hmm.
click here, you'll see there's a 20 margin. Is it here? Oh, there's a 29 pixel margin, right? This gray area is margin. When I take that out, you'll notice that white disappears, right?
Mm-hmm.
And I'm gonna make it more dramatic by going here. I'll add that color background, right? You're gonna now see that margin, what that does when I take it out. Boom. It took out
Oh.
that little white space, right?
Mm-hmm.
So margin is something that is beyond the image, the section, the area. It's outside of that area, right? As you can see, anything in this area is outside of where the actual image is. So this is the image here. We can have padding on the inside in this area, or we can have padding on the margin on the outside of the area, right? So I got rid of that. So now here, I can make this a different color, I can make it that same image, right?
Mm-hmm.
And it's gonna make it, it's just the background is static, it stays there, right?
Okay. Nice.
And the way that I do that is full center parallax. That's what that's
Mm,
called. If I want it to be full center, period, that's what's gonna happen. So this part is not parallax, but this back one is parallax. So parallax allows you to have it stay in position instead of when you scroll, it moves, it stays in the background. Parallax stays in the background. No parallax makes it move with, as you scroll. Got it? So
mm,
take that out. I'll remove the background here. It's white. Um, I can remove that. Oops. Remove the background. Let's leave it white for now. And go on to this section. So this section has that little white margin above it too. Remove it. And when I do that same image down here, it gives it a cool effect, right? You'll see that the house in the back stays where it's at, and you get that nice little effect. So I could keep on doing that as a theme down the whole page, alternating sections, right? So the next section is here. I can go here, take out that. Where is it? Oh, there is no padding here. So what I'll do is I'll just add that image. So you can see how I can do a very powerful presentation doing
mm.
this, showing people how to set up a website very easily. Um, their logo, let's say I want to add luxury key management. Bam, right? I can make this smaller. I can add a width, right? And if I
Mm-hmm.
delete the height to auto, it's going to proportionally move, set that up, right? So if I want 100 pixels, that's
Oh,
way
it's
too
very small.
200 pixels. So I can keep experimenting that way and get exactly what I want, right? I can make it centered in there,
Mm-hmm.
right? So all of this stuff, there's a way to just automatically, I can add these manually, or I thought I had it set up with, I know what happened. I didn't use, let me make sure. I got something coming up here, it looks like an appointment. Uh-oh, today's the 9th. Uh-oh. Oh, okay, I have a meeting at 6. What time is it? Okay, in an hour. All right, so yeah, these can manually be updated. And this is a section that I have the ability to create a global section, right? So this is all text that's going to be replaced. We can, in the presentation, I can use ChatGPT to come up with a quick blurb. What does it say? Setting up, what I'll do is I'll use ChatGPT. I'll say here, I'm going to tell it to create using the same amount of copy that I'm using here, right?
Mm-hmm.
And I would expound on this by telling it a little bit about my company. We do this, that, and the other. Use this amount of copy, right? I'm gonna post that here, right?
Mhm.
And it needs to be about this amount of copy, right? So this is all Greek text that make no sense to me and you, but I think it does make sense in the Greek language, right? But
Yeah.
it's used in design all the time, right? Greek text. So it's not, this is nothing. It's just a placeholder. So I'm telling ChatGPT, take that placeholder text, come up with something that's going to work for me. Your trusted partner, there you go. I don't even have to read it, man. I know it's going to be good enough for our demo. There we go. Boom. Right? So you see what I'm doing? You see how easy it is to create a quick one? Right?
Mhm.
So then I can put in our links. Each one of these will link to, let's say I'm going to put in my links to Facebook, for instance. Where do I do that? Forgot where I put that. Hold on. Facebook icon. You see this here? The icon. I can choose any icon to replace that, right?
Yeah.
But we're gonna leave it on. I see you on it. Taking too long now, right? Hold on a minute. So I want a hyperlink here. I'm trying to find where I put the hyperlink. Come on. I'm so upset. Can't figure it out. But we'll deal with that another time. I know how to. And by the way, here is AI. I can do other stuff with AI here. I probably could
Mhm.
have done the same thing I just did by clicking there and then using AI here, improve writing, generate with AI, fix spelling and grammar, simplify writing, make longer, make shorter. It's pretty amazing, right?
Yeah. It's all in with the digital sphere AI.
All of this is our CRM. We sell it.
Wow.
Thank you. I love that. I love that reaction. And we have powerful shit that we're selling here.
Yeah.
Over 400 features. And there's no reason why we shouldn't have income coming in, people buying this like hotcakes, as they say, right?
Yeah. It's
We
all in
need,
one.
yeah, we need to come up with a good solution for getting this stuff. So look at this, frequently asked questions. This stuff
Mhm.
is actual, I'm going to publish this so we can watch, see what it looks like. I wanted to, oh shit, it's asking me to publish it and it asked me for the domain. I don't want to publish. I just want to take a look at it, right? So I do want to add our logo at the top first. Bam. See how big that got? So we want the width of it to be 300. Let's say 300. That's fine for now. We're gonna do the same thing we did before.
Mhm.
Make this whole section. No, I can't do that. Hold on. So this is a navigation bar, by the way. There's a way to add a logo to the navigation, which is what I did here. Okay. Yeah. Brand logo here. 300 width. And I wanted to go to the home page, open pop up. So I can tell it whenever somebody clicks on that logo, what do we want it to do? We wanted to go open website URL and go back to the same web page. We want that to be the home page. Like, we're not going to mess with that right now, but I'm going to wrap it up by ending it here. But I do want to. I'm going to add a background color here to this. I don't know what happened. Why is it not giving me that background? Here it is. Maybe it's this. Yeah, there you go.
Oh, yeah.
All right. I'm going to do
Mm-hmm.
it with this one too. Boom. And you see there's space here? That's because it's padding. I don't want that padding. I'm going to get rid of the pad. Oops, undo. See that reset? Uh-oh. I'm going to undo here. Redo. And it's margin. There's a margin here. I think somewhere. Yeah. No, undo. It's the background. Why is it doing that? All right, something is throwing me off. And I think it's this. I don't need padding on any of this stuff. Zero, zero, zero. And by the way, we have an affiliate link to all this stuff. Why is it doing it? Okay, yeah, boom. Yeah, shit. It's not changing the background though. I don't know why. I'm thrown off. So this happens a lot. I swear up and down that I know what I'm doing. Oh, so here. No, that's not changing anything either. What is going on? Anyway, we're gonna leave it at that. But let me see something real quick. Padding. No, we don't want to do that. Anyway, I'm gonna just preview this right now. See what it looks like. So you see now where we ended
Yeah.
up?
It's really amazing. It's all in one system.
All in one system. So the
Yeah.
name is gonna be down here. All of this stuff is gonna link to different websites, right? So I do want to link on that real quick. So here we want this to go somewhere. Why is it not allowing me to put a link here? I don't know why. I can't figure it out. I hate when that happens. Hate when that happens. Um, it's supposed to allow me to link. Oh, here, boom. So I just selected the text, right?
Mm-hmm.
I think it's because, come on. Yeah, I see it right here. So here, see that right there? Link. You didn't see it. I saw you turn away.
Sorry.
No problem. That's LinkedIn, so I'm gonna go,
Oh,
Instagram.
the URL link.
Yeah, I'm gonna just add this one. No, you know what? Yeah, I don't have an Instagram for the company, so I'm gonna go here, current window, right? Include,
Mm-hmm.
save. So I just put an Instagram link there. I'm gonna put a Facebook link here. I don't know what, it takes me a long time to get this up. Yeah, boom. So we're gonna click Facebook. We're gonna go put a Facebook link in. Yeah. and click on,
Oh, so we can easily put the URL input into the system.
yeah, we're building a
Oh,
full-fledged
nice.
website that's got a lot of power to it, right? So
Mm-hmm.
I could have it go to current window. I could have it go to new window, right? Matter
Mm-hmm.
of fact, I'm going to show you what that looks like so we can do that for Facebook. So LinkedIn, we're going to go here. We're going to add the LinkedIn. Where's that? Here we go. Let's do this one. Digital Spheres LinkedIn. Um, um, right? And do a separate link out there. Phone number, email, whatever. I mean, okay, so these could link to the different other pages that we have. So we'll go here, and I'm gonna wrap it here because I gotta run. I know you want to run too, but here we go. Right? About us, service. We don't have any of these linked to anything yet, but you see how they're
Mm-hmm.
highlighted
Yeah, it's
anywhere,
it's
right?
very nice.
Navigation system is designed to quickly just add what you need. We'll, our brand colors, we
Yeah.
can update this with those colors easily, right? So
Mm-hmm.
um, when I scroll down, you'll see that we have a great website. All you need to do is take the copy from the site, right? Update all of this stuff, right? See, that's dummy Greek text again. Um, you can go. So this is something that in a workshop, I can work with a team of 5 to 10 people, help them to
Mm-hmm.
set up a quickie template website. They can go off on their own and try to modify the stuff. With day
Yeah.
two, we come back, hey, they've got all the copy that they need. We'll make sure that they get it working the way it's supposed to. And then we could literally set up, I'll tell them hey, go to Bluehost or whatever um, hosting place where you can buy a domain, right?
Mm-hmm.
Think about what your domain name is, see if it's available here. Luxurykey.com, I'm sure that's taken. And when we click here, somebody took it, right? So we want to come
Yeah.
up with variations on it. So luxury key management or luxury key stays, right? That's available. I think I want to take that one.
Yeah, it's
Management,
still working.
this is the Airbnb version of our real estate company. And management is the overall real estate company. Stays is, I want to buy that. I actually should. Anyway, I'll show people how they can get that, right? I'm showing them how to
Mm-hmm.
use ChatGPT, giving them all of these great gems. Now they're going to become part of my community, right? The
Mm-hmm.
community can grow and grow and grow, and I can sell them. I can always be selling them on all kinds of stuff. Let's do
Yeah.
social media. Here's the next, um, what do you call it? The next webinar, the next workshop. We're going to show you how to use this software to do social media, right? And guess what? They may start out at the this plan. They're going to start out at this $95 plan to do the website, right? But now my next workshop, hey, let's start doing some social media.
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna have to upgrade to this price though, right?
Yeah.
I'll let them use the software, especially the people who already bought from me. I'll give them a trial period just to let them use that, right? So the key is to show them the value of the software by doing workshops, right? And if you're up to it, we can, do some big things. I could have you helping me host those, right? And
Mm-hmm.
there's some behind the scenes stuff that I could have you helping me with. But that's my mission. I think that I can definitely use some Facebook ads and start marketing that website stuff, right? Once the website, people start buying, $500 website, and I'm going to show you how to build it, right? Start off there. All right.
Mm-hmm.
I'll leave it there. And see, you got stuff to do, right? So do I. So we'll wrap here. I'll save this, and
Yeah, I'm hoping that Keisha will also meet
she's gonna be
us.
no way. Whatever her issue is, I can work it out with her. If that is the case, I just hope it's nothing.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I'm thinking, definitely we'll be able to work out whatever the issue is. But
Mm-hmm.
yeah, I mean, I can assure you that she's probably going through. So I know she's going through some tough times with personal life, and uh,
Mm-hmm.
and that is conflicting with some of the things she's trying to do. And I know she if it is what I'm thinking, it might be some just pressing setting in. Usually she tells me about everything, but there's certain things
Mm-hmm.
that she's going through. She's not filling me in on, and so I don't know what's going on. But once she sees this, right, if we keep the
Yeah,
momentum going, she'll be able to come jump
yeah.
right back in.
And
She'll,
I also feel excited.
yeah. Well, I can tell you this: this plan that I'm talking about, I think is a great way to get some money flowing again. So I think that it's going to work like I never imagined it working before. We were thinking about doing other things that were more complicated.
Mm-hmm.
I think this is right on the money. We're selling a product, a service. We'll get your website up. Pay us $500, and we're going to show you how to really work this thing. And we're going to help you to market it, right? We're going to show you the next steps, right?
Yeah.
It's not just a website, right?
Yeah, it's not just a website.
Right. So they're going to get an awesome website. It's going to perform well for them, and we'll walk them through getting it set
Mm-hmm.
up. We'll be selling our thing right now. Um, the website comes without the membership or the monthly fee,
Mm-hmm.
the flat fee. I'll let them keep that website. They don't have to use all the other features, right?
Mm-hmm.
They can just use their website features and they can modify their website at will, right? And all for the flat one-time price of $500, right? I don't know what the
Mm-hmm.
price is going to be yet. It may be starting at that. It may be more. I think what I'm offering, I think I could get 750 on it, or even more. All right. So
Yeah.
anyway, we'll leave it there, and I'll talk to you later. I'm gonna record this video. I mean, oh, cutie, what's up, cutie?
She's here. That's why I'm a little
Yeah,
bit.
you scared?
Yeah.
Is she scared? Oh, hey, cutie.
Yeah,
Oh,
she's just got
can't see her
flu
face.
a few days, so she just got recover.
Oh, sorry to hear that. That's
Mm.
nice. Hey, cutie. I'm not seeing her face, but yeah, we're gonna wrap. I'm gonna call you. I mean, I'll follow up with you later. You have these videos. You can start working on those posts, all right, tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
And then I'm gonna develop this concept of the website, selling those, and do what I have to do to promote that. We're gonna need a landing page for that, all right? So I'll probably put one of those together. I'll videotape. I'll record it. I can show you how that goes too. I might do that overnight tonight. There's some stuff I want to take care of, so to really get some money flowing.
Yeah.
All right. Well, I'll talk to you. Have a great one.
Okay.
All right. Bye bye.
Thank you. Thank you very much. I've learned a lot and I'm so excited.
You're welcome. All
Yes,
right.
sir.
We'll talk later. Oh, let me just show
Thank
you this real quick. I want to show you one thing real quick. See this opportunity? This helps us to manage leads that are coming in. So when somebody calls in, and there's workflows that I could set up. Um,
mm-hmm.
that person, let's say it's this person here. Actually, I don't have anybody. This is a new one, so we don't have nothing going on in there. Sorry. I just created luxury key management, right? So this person might be a lead, right? It was an
Mm-hmm.
opportunity that was created when they originally contacted me. So they immediately get put into the leads section, right? So I'm able to manage all these leads coming in. I can move it to referral in progress. I can move it to sale closed, right? So a salesperson can go in here and see all the new leads, and his job is to get it to commission paid status, right? So again, another powerful tool that I'm going to be able to demonstrate. So that's got to be our mission, all right? When Keisha comes back on, she'll be a part of this. But you and I want you helping me to focus on, getting some videos done that I can be posting to YouTube.
Mm-hmm.
Um, YouTube. I have uh, Switch account. I have I have a DigiSphere account that will be posting. I don't think I have any videos in here. That's crazy. I thought I did. Your channel. I don't have not one video in here. We need to have videos in here. So that would be those videos will go in here, right? Um, so yeah, thought leadership videos. I need to create those. I need to post them. I need to help those create, market our business. So, all right, we'll talk. Have a great one.
Yeah, you too. And yeah, I'm going to prepare for the next week. So I feel that we're going to be very busy. So I'm happy. I'm so excited.
That's what's up. Let's do it. All right, we'll talk. Have a great one.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Bye.